Sacramento police officers with guns drawn surround a man outside Arden Fair Mall. Police canines also at the ready.
Everybody, it's okay. This guy knows the Constitution. I haven't broken any law.
Minutes later, the man is detained and put into the back of a squad car. Sacramento police say they detained a man believed to be armed after chasing him through the mall Friday. Police say it all started just before 11 a.m. when a possibly armed man caused a disturbance and committed a crime at a business on Arden Way. Officers then spotted the man near Arden Fair Mall and ran after him when he rushed inside.
Mall cops car just kept coming.
This shopper was exiting the mall when he saw all the commotion. He says he witnessed police detaining the man.
Eventually, I heard one of the police officers yelling, "Come out with your back towards me. With your hands up, come out with your back towards me." And I was like, oh, thank God, at least they're able to get someone.
Shoppers say the mall was put on lockdown for about an hour with police and mall security keeping them outside.
When I passed by, I seen all the police officers here. I was wondering what was going on because I'm doing a little shopping today. It's my birthday, and I was like, what's going on with all the police presence?
Police say they found a gun at the scene. We also saw officers and crime scene investigators searching a car near the Cheesecake Factory by the mall, but it's unclear if or how that's connected to the investigation. Shoppers tell us they're happy police were able to respond to the area so quickly.
At first it was one cop, and before you know it, and they came ready. At the end of the day, I'm just grateful that no one was hurt.
Reporting in Sacramento, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.